All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. Today is June 30th, 2022. This is the fifth time I'm trying to go live. I'm having some, I don't know, some conflict here with my softwares. I keep getting, I keep crashing. So we missed our target. We had a target of 45 on the downside. We also, well, there's still more targets, but the first one was hit. So we can go all the way down to this area right here, 37.20. If we pass that, we may even go down to 36.60. The upside, we have 3,800. And we also have 38.50. I just took a short while I was waiting for Streamlabs to turn on. I'd taken two shorts on my first stream, which were losses, and I just took one now, and I'm back to profits. Yesterday had a horrible day. I was lost 1,700, and then I noticed that my full account number was showing, so I turned off the stream. When I restarted in private mode, so I can't show. Yeah, so yesterday I'm not gonna be able to upload because one of them is in private and the other shows my account. But I did lose 1,700, almost blew all three of my accounts. But then I watched the market all day, and I knew that the market wanted to go short. So right at the gate, the after hours, I took a short at 23 and I covered at 38.89. So right now I'm about $700 from reaching the evaluation target, but there's still the minimum amount of trading day rules, so we're not funded yet. All right, let's get back to the market here. So I'm looking for pullbacks in order to go short, unless I see it pass the mid and past point of control, and then I may take a long to 85 area. Wow, I'm having issues with every single computer. I have a laptop open also, which I have another platform, and that one is crashing too. So something is in the air because these two computers are not connected. One's a desktop, the other is a laptop. So how? This is insane. Yeah, this one's crashed too. What the hell is going on? Oh my god, alright, I have to restart this one too. Alright, so I just took a short from mid all the way down to 53. Man, we missed a pretty long short. Yeah, I was right at the opening. I was saying to go short at this area here, 60. And this is actually where I took two of my longs, because it seemed like it was gonna pull back to mid. Everything was showing that was a good trade, and it wasn't. I got killed. Where was it? I think it was right here. had passed the EMAs. It looked like it was a good one, but no. And my computer wasn't on. I was rebooting everything, but I would have taken a short here because it failed 1, 2, 3, 4 times to pass 64, so that would have been an obvious short. So I spoke that on the first stream, but I'll say it again. So we are in a like line in the sand area, because if you look at a weekly or a monthly volume profile, you will see that we are at a place that either the market goes down to 3,600, 3,400, or it goes back up to 4,000. Do not, I'm not going to, but I suggest not trading the close today. The close will be very volatile because it's a quarterly close and a monthly close. So there will be a lot of options trying to get out of trades, and also swing traders, so be very careful. It's not an expiration change, but still it could be very volatile. Alright, we're looking for opportunities here. We're not gonna take chances. Oh, I have to redo my value areas also. Man, when I shut down the system, I didn't save everything that I had prepared this morning. So very overnight low, I believe it was 60. So that's what the brown line is. Overnight high is still 24.25. Overnight value area, that's set overnight. Okay, so not only the mid, but there's the overnight value area and overnight low are all in the same area. So this will be a tough area to pass, but if it does, it's going to go up to 85. So I'm not gonna take a long, I'm gonna look for a short. So I said this morning that I was looking for pullback shorts, and I took too long and I got my ass kicked, and I just took a pullback short and it panned out. So now there could be an opportunity to take a short at 66 again, because that is the top of the value area. $63, or so I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna only do it with 2 contracts. There's no need to be risking more than 2 contracts. I'm already with some profit here, so and why isn't my ATM working? Man, I'm having all kinds of issues. What is wrong with my ATM? Tough day for me today with electronics. All right, so I'm going for a high volume node. May not pan out here. Oh, big old sweep. All right, I'll be looking for shorts in the 85 area. Now I'm going to look for a short at 78. But it could go short now because we are at the overnight POC. I'm going to go take a short now. Again, no ATM. What the hell is going on? Something is not right here. I don't know what's going on with my ATM strategies. Okay, it could go all the way down to 56. I'm gonna get out at 61. So I'm playing a outside in. That's what I should have done yesterday. Outside in, but by the time I figured out that it was an outside in day, I was already negative and I couldn't risk anymore. It was pretty obvious, but you know, last couple of months it's been all trending days, so I screwed up. Gonna raise my risk a little more here. So this could be a risky trade because it may want to go up to 78, which is the opening price, and which was a major target, which actually was my overnight target, but because of the drawdown rule, I couldn't risk it. Because you know, the more profit you make on a evaluation, the smaller your drawdown is. So if you're up 2,000 and you don't clear at that 2,000, the system will count that as profit. So your drawdown tightens up. And in the overnight, the swings are so high that I couldn't risk it. So I got out at 89, but my true target was 77 actually. Yeah, when I opened up the the charts this morning, I was like, oh my god, I could have reached evaluation target with one trade. Alright, the sound on. Make sure everything is on. Alright, it's stalling here a little bit. What is going on? Oh, it's trying to hit 70. There's some big orders at 70.
Sweet.
There it is. Took me out. Yep. So it took out all of the stops from 70. Right. Why isn't my ATM working? Try to save it one more time, see if it works. Maybe it has to do with the trade copier. All right, I'm gonna be looking for shorts right here. I may even take a 5 lot. All right, I'm gonna take a 5 lot. Opening price. Come on, ATM, better work. They just put in a big order at 80. So it may want to go to 80. So I'm going to raise this a little bit just in case, and I'll play it by ear. God, everything is screwed up on my computer. I don't got time to play with this stuff now, but you know what? I'm gonna wait. It may want to do a initial balance high run. Opening price is too close to initial balance, unless I just take a 2 lot or a 1 lot. We missed the short. So POC has risen, and also top of RTH value area with this last push that took us out. There was a lot of volume in that push. Wow, completely missed that pullback. A risky trade, but there could be a long here at mid, but I wouldn't take it. It could go down all the way to 56. Lots of fake outs here in the middle. We want to stay away from them. So we're looking for an IB run.
Absorption.
We're looking for a bounce, either a 78 or, so I'm gonna take a short at 78, but I'm only gonna do 2 contracts because it may, oh, I'm tempted to take a long here. But it would be pretty risky. All right, I'm gonna take a long. My ATM's still not working. What the hell is going on? Why isn't my ATM working? So our target is opening price. Tempted to add another 2 here. Let's do it. Oh, think I missed it.
Absorption. Sweet.
Swoo-hoo-hoo! They are really pushing it. Wow. So there could be a short opportunity here, but we're so close to IB. All right, I need to. Let's try another strategy. Let's see if. Let's see if this works. Okay, there could be a short opportunity here. I'm gonna take it. Very risky trade. All right, now the ATM's working. Very risky trade. That is because IB is so close. So it could either go to 69 or to 75. I'm gonna take the 75. So I'm risking $40 here. Not a great R&R. Yeah. Not a great risk versus reward.
Absorption.
Come on, keep going, keep going. I'm gonna raise it 1 tick. Come on. Here we go. So now we're only gonna go short at IB. So if you're new to the channel, my purple box is my IB zone. So trading statistics shows that 96% of the time on a session, the market will break an IB. So going short at IB is very risky because most likely it will break it, but there's going to be a lot of people going short there. So for a quick scalp, it could be a good idea. Right, we need to reduce our zone. So the low is 41. I'm just working on my targets here on another chart. So yesterday was a very unusual day because neither did the IB low or the IB high was broken. So that is very unusual. That doesn't happen often. I think that's like only 5% of the time. So yesterday was a very unusual day. It was an obvious outside in, and by the time I noticed that, I was already negative 1,700. Almost blew the accounts. I was very close to blowing it. So our target is what? The profit, I don't even know the profit target. I think it's 4,000. What is it? 42.50. Okay, so we're about $800 away. And this is the great thing about Apex, is that you don't have to be consistent on the amount of contracts that you trade, because I did, gotta be honest, I did over leverage myself in the overnight. I did take a 20 lot trade, but I was so close to already blowing the account that I didn't care. You know, I said, okay, I'm gonna go for broke here, which was not smart, but after watching the market all day, it was obvious that it wanted to break 3,800. It was gonna pass. Yeah, with the competitors, I think you have to keep trading the same amount of contracts. You can't do a 20 lot and then trade 2-3 lots. If you don't have an Apex account, look in my description. I have a 50% off. Also suggest doing more than one account. That's how you lower your risk. With the half off, a 70K account will cost you $100, $104. All resets, no matter what the size of the account is, are, I think, with tax, $89 or $86. I'm not sure. Right, seems like there's a barrier at 80. Lots of orders trying to block, but a lot of those are spoofs. As long as the orders are not huge, they don't mind if you spoof. But if you're putting, 1,000 lot and then removing it, you get in trouble with the SEC. Yeah, those guys bend the rules. They're smart. They don't make it obvious. Right, so if it passes IB, it's gonna go to 3,800, and that could be a good area to go short. So either we take a short at IB and risk, even though IB stats say that it will pass IB, it will break it. Usually it will break some and then it will go short when it's IB high. Alright, there could be a long opportunity here to go to IB, but we need to keep in mind that POC is all the way down to 68, so market may want to tag that first. So very risky trade here to go long now. If it breaks 73, it's going down to POC. So there could be a long opportunity here. And everything is all screwed up. What is going on with my system? It might be graphic cards, but I got a pretty good system. I guess that was a long. We missed it. Yeah, I said if it didn't pass 73, it was a long opportunity. All right, I think it's going to be an IB run now. Okay, I'm going to take a chance here and go long. Might have to chase it. What is up with my strategy?
Absorption.
Oh. What the hell is going on? Yeah, risky trade. Yeah, everybody's going short at opening price. But that is retailer mentality. So we need to trade the opposite, because the obvious target here is IB. So think like a retailer, but don't trade like a retailer. All right, I think I'm gonna add two more here. And I only added one. What the hell is going on? All right, I'm 4 long. Is that what it is? Yeah. Alright guys, I think this is going to be my last trade. No point in risking any more money here.
Sweet.
There it is. It's going. It's going. It may stop at the green light, a green line. That is the overnight, not this one. It may stop here. What is that? It's a difference of 15 bucks. I'm gonna take it.
Sweet.
All right, guys, I'm done. I am done. Again, do not trade the closing of the market. Quarterly close and end of the month close. Very risky. All right, everyone. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please click the notification. Like also, so you can help my algorithm. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.